Did you know Amazon uses over 200 factors to rank books? Imagine cracking just a few of those secrets to catapult your book to the top. Let's dive into understanding how Amazon's algorithm and how you can make it work for you. Algorithms might sound complex, but at their core, they're just a set of rules designed to solve a problem. In this case, the problem is figuring out which books should be shown to which readers. Stick around to discover how you can leverage this knowledge to your advantage. And when you trust me enough, click the top link in the description for my course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Our first story is about understanding the algorithm in a simple yet powerful way. Story 1 is the power of the honeymoon period. Meet John, the strategist. John, a methodical thinker, believed in making data-driven decisions when he learned about Amazon's honeymoon period, a 30-day window where new books get extra visibility. He saw an opportunity. He priced his book competitively low to gain initial traction, capitalizing on Amazon's algorithm that favors new releases. The actionable steps you can use from this is to launch your book at a lower price to boost initial sales. Take advantage of the Amazon honeymoon period for extra visibility. Create momentum early to leverage Amazon's boost for new books. John's strategy paid off as his book soared in the rankings during the first month, setting a strong foundation for long-term success. Next, let's see how another author used advanced tools to master keyword rankings. Story 2 is about tracking keywords with Helium 10, and this is where we meet Charlotte, the data analyst. Charlotte has a knack for data analysis and uses Helium 10 to understand her book's performance. She utilizes Cerebro tool for a reverse ASIN check on her competitors, which is just a way to see which keywords a product is ranking and the position of that keyword within the rankings on Amazon. By tracking these keywords using Helium 10's mobile app, she stayed ahead of the competition. The actionable steps you can take as a self-published author is: use Helium 10 to conduct a reverse ASIN check on your competitors. Track and monitor top performing keywords with Helium 10's mobile app. Use this data to optimize your book's keywords. Cancel the subscription after gathering sufficient data and switch to the free version for continuous monitoring. After 2 months of detailed analysis, Charlotte saved money by switching to the free version, maintaining her competitive edge within the insights she gathered. Moving on, let's explore how understanding Amazon's objective can shape your book's success. Story 3 is about leveraging Amazon's sales mechanism. This story is of Mark, the marketer. Mark, a seasoned marketer, understood that Amazon aims to sell more by recommending related products. He noticed how Amazon displays frequently bought together, you might also like, and similar sections. He used this to his advantage by creating engaging A+ content and optimizing his book's listing. The actionable steps you can take from Mark's story is: add A+ content to your book's listing to enhance visibility. Understand how Amazon recommends books and leverage related products. Optimize your book to appear in the frequently bought together and customers who bought this item also section. Mark's strategy not only increased his book's visibility, but also improved his conversion rates as more readers found his books and through Amazon's recommendations. Now, let's dive into product relevance and how it can boost your book's rankings. Story 4 is about mastering product relevance. Meet Emma, the researcher. Emma's a diligent researcher focused on product relevance. She understood that Amazon's algorithm prioritizes customer satisfaction by showing the most relevant products. She meticulously crafted her book's title, description, and cover to reflect exactly what her book offered, sending strong signals to Amazon's algorithm. The actionable steps for you to use from Emma's story is: ensure your book's title and description clearly convey its content. Design a cover that accurately represents your book's genre and theme. Use relevant keywords to help Amazon match your book with potential buyers. Emma's attention to detail helped her book climb the rankings as Amazon recognized its relevance to the search queries. Lastly, let's see how one author's perseverance and understanding of algorithms led to remarkable success. Story 5 is about continuous learning and adaptation. This story is about Mike, the lifelong learner. Mike was always eager to learn, and he would always read extensively about algorithms and their impact on search rankings. He understood that Amazon would never reveal exactly how their algorithms worked, but by having a basic understanding of algorithms, monitoring updates, and interpreting their announcements, he could gain an educated advantage. He kept up to date with changes in Amazon systems and continuously adapted his strategies. The ongoing education enabled him to stay ahead of the curve and maintain high visibility for his book. The actionable steps for you to use from Mike's story is: stay informed about changes in Amazon's algorithms. Continuously optimize your book based on new insights. Adapt your strategies to align with current algorithm trends. Mike's commitment to learning and adaptation ensured his book remained competitive, benefiting from every tweak and update in Amazon's system. To wrap it up, let's recap the key points. Utilize the Amazon honeymoon period to gain early momentum. Use tools like Helium 10 for keyword tracking and optimization. Leverage Amazon's sales mechanisms to enhance your book's visibility. Ensure your book's relevance aligns with Amazon's product relevance algorithm. Stay informed and adapt to maintain a competitive edge. Remember, Amazon will not reveal how its algorithm works. However, when you have a basic understanding of algorithms and monitor the updates they make, you can interpret this from an educated standpoint, giving you an advantage. If you want to dive deeper, check out my course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. The link is in the description. So what strategies have you used to improve your book's rankings on Amazon KDP? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.